Keltec P50 unboxing. Took me a long time to find this guy. I finally got one. Comes in a decent plastic case. It's got four snaps on the case. With foam inserted. Inside the case you'll find two 50-round magazines. This is a 5.7 by 28 millimeter cartridge is what it shoots. You'll find a sling, the stupid trigger lock. You'll find the firearm itself. It'll have one magazine already loaded. And then you'll find your sling buckle and your quick detach mounts, as well as your instruction manual and some Keltec swag and advertisements. So again, this firearm shoots 5.7 by 28 millimeter. It weighs approximately 3.2 pounds unloaded, or 1.43 kilograms loaded. Magazine capacity, I already covered that, but it's got 50 round magazines. Comes with two. Overall length is 15 inches, or 380 millimeters. You can see that it's got a threaded barrel here, which is a 1/2 by 28 threads per inch. It's 9.6 inch barrel length, which is 244 millimeters. And the height is 6.7 inches or 170 millimeters. The width is 2 inches or 50 millimeters. So that's 2 inches thick. Trigger pull is 5 pounds. MSRP is $7.95, but of course they're kind of hard to find, so a little bit more expensive than that. The weapon comes with a Picatinny style rail adapter here at the front and two QD mounts, one in the handle that actually feels a little loose and one in the back of the firearm right under the charging handle. You've got your safety selector here. The triangle is fire. If you push it back, that you're safe. The lever to break open the magazine is right back here. And I'm filming with one hand and holding the camera with the other, so it's going to be hard for me to show you. But you pull this down and then lift up on the back of the receiver and it comes up. It hinges right here on this. This is actually metal. The whole rest of the body is plastic. And this piece up top, you know, is metal as well. You've also got a Picatinny rail on top.